Is it visible, madam? Audible?
Yes, sir. You are audible, sir.
So our PPT is on the
Yes, sir. Your PPT is seen, sir.
seeing.
Yes, sir. Please project it on slideshow, sir.
Okay, right.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Yes, madam.
Please carry on, sir. Thank you, sir.
Uh, Good morning. My name is Manjunaji, working as a librarian, the Oxford College of Science. So, welcome to all my first year students. So, I will give a orientation class about effective library usage. Uh, First thing, though this is our library infrastructure, the ground floor is the only management books is available in our library. So, first floor arts books available. Then third and fourth floors is available science books. So you are the science students, that's why I focus on science students. So third floor is available BCA and MCA books. Fourth floor only biotechnology, chemistry, mathematics, all the science discipline books available in the fourth floor. So our library seating capacity, more than 300 students are sitting in our library. Then, before I enter my orientation class, I will give a brief introduction about what is library. Library is a collection of source. For source means books, journals, periodicals, then as well as audio, video, visuals, then electronic and digital information available in our library. So mainly four types of libraries are there. First thing is academic library. Second thing is a special library. Another thing is national library, then public library. So our library comes under academic library. School, colleges, and university libraries comes under college academic libraries. So our library has a rich collection, books, journals, and newspapers, and other resources. For example, our library total number of books available in 46,580 books available in our library. So 130 national and international journals available in our library, and 20 magazines and 80 newspapers available in our library, as well as CDs and DVDs also available in our library. So our library is a fully automated library. So for example, we are using a library LibSoft, library management software. It is a leading software. The most of the institutions are using this software. So this software is mainly using for issuing and returning the library books and renewal the library books. So this purpose we are using a library software. So another thing is Dewey Decimal classification. So total 8 type of library classification systems are there. So subject classification, colon classification, UDC universal decimal classification, Dewey Decimal classification. Dewey Decimal classification is one of the popular classification system throughout the world. For example, 2 lakh libraries are using this classification system. More than 135 countries follow this classification system. For example, why we are using the classification system? So for example, biotechnology, we are according to classification system, we are assigning a one number. For example, 660.6. This this number we are assigning according to classification system. Wherever you go, you visited any library, the number will be same, there is no change. So unique number we are maintaining the classification system. So another thing is RFID technology. The RFID technology, radio frequency identification technology, it is the most emerging technology, as well as only few libraries having this technology. So for example, 1,000 libraries are there. So out of 1,000 libraries, only 15 to 20 libraries. So only 15 to 20 libraries out of 1,000 libraries, only 15 to 20 libraries available this type of technologies. For example, I visited all the academic universities, all the Karnataka academic universities. So only few universities. So only few universities available these facilities. So our college has these facilities. So many colleges or institutions don't have these facilities. It is one of the popular technologies, RFID, radio frequency identification technology. Then our library timings. So our library timings is Monday to Friday, 8:30 to 6 p.m. So our book circulation timings 8:30 to 6 p.m. The Saturday 9 to 4. So total library collections, the Our library total collection 46,580 books available in our library. It is the total library collection. This is the particularly science collection. So total number of volumes 25,677 books available in library. So all the science discipline, for example, biotechnology, biochemistry, microbiology, physics, maths, then all the subject books available in our library. So well books and well authored books available in our library. So international authored books available. Then total number of books 10,040 by 45 books available, titles are there. Then total number of journals 47 national journals and 29 international journals. So well reputed published journals we are subscribed. For example, Nature publication is one of the leading and most named publisher. So we are subscribing a journal from the Nature publisher. So magazines. So total number of magazines, 20 magazines are there, 17 newspapers we are subscribing, CDs and DVDs. 867 CDs are available in our library, as well as 22 computers are there in our library. For this is the library automation software. Uh, Library automation software. Why we are using a library automation system software? The issuing and renewal the books, as well as it is a popular software. Most of the institutions are using this software. Then why we are using this software? So this software is mainly focused on the absolutely it is a user friendly software. This is a library, so it is a absolutely user friendly software and multi user package, as well as importing and exporting the data from very easily importing and exporting the data from according to Mark 21 format. Mark 21 means machine readable catalog. So one format is there. It's called a Mark 21 format. It is purely library science related. It is very well supported. This software is supported very well. Then as well as multiple materials available. So not only this software is not only using for issuing and returning a books, multiple materials available in our entries are there. For example, books, journals, project reports, technical reports, CDs and DVDs. The all the materials information available in the software. It is the students also check the what are the books available in our account, and student transaction also they can check this through this software. So another thing is eShoda Sindhu. eShoda Sindhu is initiated by MHRD, Ministry of Human Resource Department, but now it is renamed Ministry of Education. So it is this project eShoda Sindhu. This project merging a three consortium. One is UGC Infonet, another one is Indest AICT, another one is Enlist. The Enlist is the only usage for UG colleges, you undergraduate colleges using this eShoda Sindhu. The most of the colleges don't subscribe to this Enlist program. Enlist means National Library and Information Service uh, infrastructure scholarly content. So what are the information available in this databases? More than 6,000 journals, more than 6,000 e-journals available in these databases, as well as 1,64,000 e-books available in these databases. So it is a very useful for student, and student can access the this information, the articles and books available in these databases. All the students as a login, we are giving a username and password. All the students use this resource. Delnet is a developing library network. So this is initiated by this is located by New Delhi. So it is first initiated 1988. So the more than 40,000 e-resource available in this databases. More than 618 libraries network. It is a resource sharing network. More than 6,800 resource sharing net libraries are there. JGate. JGate is the electronic gateway. So this is also one of the important databases. The students are access the e-journals. More than 51,000 more than 51,000 journal indexed in these databases, as well as 65 lakhs uh, 65 6 6 crore 57,000 articles available in these databases, as well as 10,000 articles daily added these databases. It is also one of the important and popular databases. All the students are subscribing these databases. I login this day, login. We are providing a username and login, username and password. Please utilize the resource for student. The major part is library rules and regulations. What are the rules and regulations in library? The students are requested to enter the name and sign in the gate register. We are kept in the one register in the enter the library. So all the student you write your name, then course, as well as check in and check out time, end signature. So all the students please follow the library rules and regulations. Then another thing is issuing and returning the library books. So 9 a.m. to 4 a.m. we are issuing and returning the books 9 a.m. to 4 a.m. So in between we are issuing and returning the library books. Two books will be issued for students. The according to library rules and regulation, we are issuing only two books. So the another rules and regulation is 7 days is the validity, and after the due date, rupees 5 rupees for each book day will be charged. So students, I requested the all the students please return the book within the 7 days. Otherwise, you pay the 5 rupees per day. Please don't uh, keep it in books after the 7 days. So please return the books within the 7 days. So borrower must be replace lost damaged books. Suppose borrower replace damaged any books or lost the books, please the borrower replace the books. The books means same edition, same author, and same title. Books returned to library. Then as well as personal books, folders, files, blazers, jerkins should not be carried inside the library. Your personal belongings is not carried inside the library. Then reference book journals, annual and project reports are only for reference. Reference books, why we are not uh, give outside the library? Because reference books only for refer purpose. Why? Because is there rare collections are there. Otherwise, is the costly books are there. That's why your reference books only you refer library only. Students should bring the ID card, smart card when they enter the library. Before you are entering the library, you should bring the you students bring the ID card. Without ID card, we are not allowed inside the library. So always you before you are coming to library, so keep it always you show the ID card and smart card. If any student found misbehaving inside the library, she will be suspended from the library for 1 week. So any misbehaving, you are chatting with your friends, you are talking with your friends. Otherwise, you discussion in the library hall. In that time, we have suspended 1 week from the library. It is repeat again and again. We will permanently uh, suspended from the library. Student have maintained the silence. So please students always this is the library, so it is your only for studying. This is place for only for studying. So that's why don't talk with your friends and don't mm, disturb others. So that's why always maintain silence. That is my request. All borrowed must be returned and dues must be settled prior for receiving examination hall tickets. So all the students, so before you are taking a no due, before you are taking a no due, so all the books you must be returned to library. So another one is mobile phone are strictly prohibited inside the library. So don't use the mobile inside the library. Library services and facilities. The library services and facilities. Two types of open access systems. One thing is uh, closed access system, open access system. So our library has a open access system. So that's why please utilize the source. Circulation service. The circulation service means student are issuing and returning the book in the counter. So renew the book. The circulate that is the circulation service available in our library. Reference service. Reference service means if you want any information, so you ask your librarian or library staffs. The all the information they are providing information. That is the reference service. OPAC search service. So OPAC means online public access catalog service, search service. You can suppose if you want any books, if you are a kept in one system in OPAC system, so you can go and search the article books title, then journals. If you want any information, you can search from the OPAC search service. So newspaper clipping service. Newspaper clipping service, any university related information or college related information, any other information we know. So in that type we are clipping. So cut that news and scanner the copy. We are maintaining a soft copy in the newspaper clipping service. Question bank service. It is the one of the most important service. Then it is a very useful for students. Question bank service. So previous year question papers we are. This is the repository. This is the question bank repository. This IP number is located a question bank repository. Then previous year question papers you collected from here. So suppose 2017 year question paper 18, 19, 20, any question papers any before year question paper you want, you can you can log in this IP address, you can collect the question papers. Book exhibition is a book exhibition means it is a publisher once in a year they are visited our college, they exhibited the book. So whatever book you need, students are providing this facility. So whatever book you need, you take the book from the book exhibition. Display of new arrivals. So display of new arrivals means we are procure the new books. So in the starting of the academic year, we are procuring the new books. In the new books, we are arriving. What are the books we are procure? The books, one copy we are display for the students. Why? Because students know about the book and other things. So information display and notification. Information display and notification means any job related information, any you government taking any important decision news. So in that news we are pasted in the notice board. Wi-Fi facility. Wi-Fi facility is available in our library. Internet browsing facility. Internet browsing facilities, more than 22 library computers are there in our library. So you can browse the internet and you can get the information and you can collect the information from the internet browsing facility. So reprography facility. Reprography facility means Xerox facility. So photocopy facility. So in photocopy facilities available in our library, you can take a photocopy from books. You can take books photocopy, then journal only we are giving a starting page. We are not providing a full articles. We are only starting first page we are providing a first page information we are providing. SCST book bank facility. So our library has a SCST book bank facility. More than 587 books are available in SCST book bank facilities. So SCST students are using these facilities every year, providing a books from the Bangalore University. So then this facility is, once the students are borrow the book from the library, he kept in a 6 months. 6 months he kept in book. After 6 months he has to return the book. So another one is important facility is gold and silver card facility. Gold and silver card facility means gold. For example, for students are getting a 80%. Previous year is taken a 80%. So we are providing a two more books extra, two more books. So we are providing a two more books. Then for example, usually we are issuing a two books. So another two books, totally four books we are issuing for students. Silver card means So more than students are taken a 70%. Previous year he has taken a 70%. We are providing a one book. So for example, usually we are issuing a two books. So another one book, three books we are issuing for student. This is the ebooks databases. So ebooks databases, it is a freely available in the library, freely available in the net. So you can access DOAB, Directory of Open Access Books. It is a freely available databases, the freely available source. So medical science related information, social science related information, biological science related information, you can access freely available. Then Project Gutenberg, it is also one of the popular databases, and it is very useful for student, and it is also free available ebooks databases, free tech books, technology and mathematics related books available. Then Internet Archive, all subject books. It is all the subject books, humanities, maths, humanities, arts, then social science, science subject, all the subject books available. Then Open Library. Open Library means is the science fiction related information, fantasy related and biographies information related information available. PDF DriveNet. These are all the ebooks databases. Then Bookban, it is also one of the ebooks ebooks databases. These are all EPG Patashala. These are all information. These are all information available, freely available in the net. Some free access databases. So free access database, Library Genesis. What is the Library Genesis? The Library Genesis is all the disciplines articles available in Library Genesis. So any the kind of subjects you can arts and humanities, social science, all the subjects books available in the Library Genesis, as well as Unpayable. It is also one of the free access databases available in the net. So Doge means Directory Open Access Journal. It is also freely available databases. Door Directory of Open Access repositories. So repository information available in this. It is a freely available open access button, as well as Science Open. It is also free available. Core. These are also free access databases. So please students make utilize the resource. SWAYAM NPTEL. So our college associated with the SWAYAM NPTEL. All the student all the student create a SWAYAM portal, SWAYAM login and username. Then our college also associated with the SWAYAM NPTEL program. The students can take any course from the SWAYAM. So many course available. So 3 months course, 6 months course, 9 months course, any many courses are available in SWAYAM portal. So students are taking a course for the list of magazines and newspapers. The list of total 20 magazines and 18 newspapers we are subscribing. So this is the study area. This is our library study area. So more than 300 students sitting capacity in our library. Then this is the library team. So we are 7 members in working in library. So I am the head of the library. Then another Mallikarjun, Sandesh Kumar, Arish, Badrashetty, Mr. Anjali, Sachin, then Anpurna. They are all this is our library team. Thank you. So thank you for who are all presenting, who are all